Hi, I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a kind of like an all levels technique exercise. It depends on the tempo that you do it at. Today's tempo for the video I would say is intermediate, but like if you go faster it could be great for advanced. If you go slower it's great for beginners. It only involves 3 steps: paradiddles, shuffle step heels or what I call shuffle diddles, and cramp rolls. That's it. But it's a great rhythm exercise and like a switching back and forth between steps exercise. Super fun. It's a center exercise and it is great for, again, all levels. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, this is a Halloween themed tutorial, so I've got some like kind of creepy music to do it with, but it's got a good beat, so I'll have the song information down below for you. And yeah, let's do the thing. All right, so, also speaking of doing the thing, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so we start with a paradiddle. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have a cramp roll. Step, step, heel, heel. So it's dig, spank, step, heel, step, step, heel, heel. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then you have 2 faster paradiddles, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then we have a cramp roll, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's slow, slow, fast, fast, slow. That's the tempo. Slow, slow, fast, fast, slow. The steps go paradiddle, cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, cramp roll. So you have 2 slow, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 fast paradiddles, 5 and 6 and cramp roll, 7 and 8 and. So let's try all that together so you can really hear the rhythm. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and. Yeah? Cool. Then you do it on the left. So you have 1 paradiddle, right cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, right cramp roll. So either side you do, the cramp roll ends up being the same side both times. So like when we started with the right foot, both of those cramp rolls were left cramp rolls. And then the same will happen for the other side. They will both be right cramp rolls. So let's try the left side paradiddle. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. So let's try right to left, and then I'll tell you the second half. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and left. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Okay, so for the second half, you do exactly the same thing, but instead of paradiddles, you're going to do shuffle step heel or shuffle diddle, as I call them. So it's going to be shuffle step heel, step, step, heel, heel, shuffle step, heel, step, step, heel. And I like to distinguish visually between the two, so my paradiddles obviously are going front. I'm doing my shuffles to the side. You can do them to the front. I just visually like the separation. So let's try the whole thing with shuffle step heels instead of paradiddles. Same pattern, same rhythm, but you're doing shuffle step heel instead of paradiddle. So let's try it from the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Okay, so let's do the paradiddle section and then the shuffle diddle section, and we'll do it with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Okay, so let's do it with music. We got this. All right, so we're just doing it like once or twice with music. I'll explain more about this at the end, but I don't have a whole lot of time each day that I'm allowed to spend on this knee, so that's why currently my tutorials are a little short and sweet, but still very sweet. All right, let's do it. 5, 6, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. It got a little weird for a second, but it's okay. We stayed on time. So this song is really, really fun though. Let's do it one more time just to make sure we got it, just for funsies. Ready? It's super fun and it's kind of a brain teaser. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I am so happy to be dancing. If you've been on this channel a little while, you might know I put out a video that said I'm injured, and you're probably like, why are you dancing? And I'm like, wait, I can explain. So I took about a week and a half of rest, and then I was healing really, really well, and I was cleared to spend a little bit of time tap dancing every week, and I definitely wanted to spend some of that little bit of time making these tutorials because I have missed it. 1 week off and I've missed it. Honestly, it's been more than that though, because I had all these gigs from the middle of August to the end of September. I had a ton of gigs, and so I just didn't have any time to film. And so when I got the injury, I was not filmed out enough to cover not being able to film again. So I was like, oh no, now I don't have content. I don't know what to do. But I was figuring out things. I'm still gonna post some of the really, really cool things I was telling you guys about, but like at the same time, when I was given the clear to spend a couple of hours a week in my tap shoes, I was like, I have to film tutorials because I love it so much. And it's like the one thing that I can't really compensate for. Like when I'm teaching at the studio, I can have a demonstrator. When I'm performing, I can switch to a different instrument or something, or I can like just go easy on it or whatever. This requires all of me, and I love giving it all of me because I want you guys to get like the best instruction possible. So to be able to tap, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta spend at least one of those hours filming these tutorials. I'm so happy I am because it brings me so much joy. So hopefully you really, really enjoyed this. Currently, while I only have a little bit of time to spend in my tap shoes, my tutorials will be on the short but sweet side, but still sweet, I promise, just like Halloween candy. But yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. I'm gonna do the absolute best I can, and I hope that you enjoy it. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got choreography tutorials like this, step tutorials, technique exercises, vlogs, challenges, all kinds of stuff. And just a reminder, we have themed playlists of choreography tutorials and technique exercises. Like, I have a whole playlist of Halloween themed tutorials. I've got 4 years now, 4 seasons of Halloween worth of Halloween tutorials. So if you're a dance teacher and you're looking for some fun stuff to teach your students, click that playlist. Like if you just go into my playlists on my channel, you'll find it, Halloween themed tutorials or like Halloween tutorials. And I've got 4 years worth of spooky season goodness. And then if you're already planning your holiday content, because I know some of us are just dying for the holiday season, and I get it, I feel you, I cannot wait for Hanukkah. I have a whole holiday playlist as well for 3 years. 3 years, because this is year 4 and it's Halloween. I haven't filmed the 4th year yet. 3 years worth of holiday season content, lots of stuff. So as you're planning as a dance teacher, or if you just want to plan out like some spooky season and holiday season fun for yourself as a tap dancer with these tutorials, check those out, have some fun, and yeah, I absolutely love this time of year. So subscribe for all that. I've got holiday stuff coming out too, so make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button because you do not want to miss that. I've got some really, really fun stuff planned for holidays. But yeah, also hit the thumbs up button because I'm tap dancing again, and that's super, super fun. But also because it helps YouTube know that people love tap dance. So smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, have a beautiful, wonderful, amazing, hopefully with nice weather, spooky season. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.